Hello, and welcome to another update video about Aave. Aave is in a good spot at the moment. It's doing a small pullback at the moment into a support area that you can see here on the chart. So on the Aave chart, we had a wave 1 to the upside, we had a wave 2 to the downside, and we're exploring currently if we are in the third wave, circle wave 3. This is a bullish interpretation. We're currently leaning to this interpretation. This is the bullish scenario, bullish interpretation, in which circle wave 3 should ideally get into the region between 108 and $136. This is circle wave 3. We're currently in the subdivisions, maybe halfway through. Then we should get a wave 4 and a wave 5. At the moment, the idea would be that we push higher as long as we are holding $74. So there are always parameters that need to be fulfilled for a wave count. So for this scenario to unfold and for Aave to continue to be bullish, I would like it to hold the $74 level. Any break below that leads to problems on this chart. It leads to problems because as per this interpretation, we are in a third wave. So if we don't reach the ideal targets, and within the third wave, we should be in a third wave. Okay, so the third of a third. If the third of a third does break support before reaching ideal targets, and the support would be $74, right? Then we have to assume this is some kind of a diagonal structure where the pullback is too deep and too early. And if we form a diagonal cannot be a third wave. So the third can't be a diagonal, which means that we get problems. That means we probably have a larger ABC structure. This would be my bearish scenario. So this could also be an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. Yeah, so it would then still be able to push higher, but eventually then we would make another low. So do you understand that? It will give us a clue that this is what's going on, something more bearish is going on, if we break below the 50% retracement level at $75. So I hope, hope isn't really helpful in financial markets, but from an analysis point of view, from a bullish perspective, I hope that we get here one more high more directly, and yeah, don't break below $74, okay? And then sort of an ideal target range here is $95 to $109 for this third wave. Then we should get wave 4. Ideally, we're not yet in this wave 4 because it just doesn't add up when we talk about the length of this move here. Yeah, so we didn't quite push into the white target region, which is not really a reason for concern at this stage. But I want to highlight that it will be a reason for concern if we break below $74. Okay, so it's just something to watch. It's just something to take note of and to be on high alert about, but not a reason to panic or to think, okay, this is going to break. But watch the $74 level. That will not be helpful. Again, breaking $74 doesn't mean we couldn't go higher, but it means that we're likely in a diagonal, and the larger degree assumption would have to change. And we are most likely doing this ABC structure, which might still push a little higher. We could still possibly reach the area. $94 is a level to watch, 110 and 141. But the difference is that this would then not be from a bullish perspective. It would likely just be an ABC, which is corrective. We have a good likelihood to make a completely new low in the $30 region, low $30 region afterwards. Yeah, just a quick update about Aave. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.